we're at the Ice Institute here checking out some of the new things here for 2019-2020 winter. We're looking at the Glacier Ice House here. This is one of their 12-foot ones. This is a 612 LE, and I just want to give you an idea of what it looks like a little bit. For those who don't have a chance to be able to come to the show, we're going to have a lot of videos showing a lot of the different products that are at this year's show. Complete lay flat design for on the ice. We'll come into the inside here. We'll just walk through. We're in Sioux Falls checking out the different ice fishing things coming out for this season. 2 bunks. Looks like we've got 4 holes in this particular unit. Getting back to the kitchen, we got a little cooktop there. And then in the very nose, we've got a little water closet here for a little biff if you needed one in here. This is the Glacier. The Glacier model number, once again, is the 612 LE. We'll put links in the description below so you can go check it out more online.